Motorcyclist succumbed to injuries after crash into wall on Washington Boulevard. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 46-year-old motorcyclist succumbed to injuries after crashing into a wall along Washington Boulevard on Tuesday. The deceased has been identified as Ricardo Huggins of Cowell Avenue, Kingston 20. Reports are that about 5:15 p.m. on Tuesday, Higgins was riding his motorcycle along Washington Boulevard when he lost control and collided with a wall. He was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The police are continuing their investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.